Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm going to talking about solving multi-step inequalities. Example number 1, you have negative 3x out of 8 plus 5 out of 6 less than or equal to 7 out of 12. First of all, we have a different denominators, so we have to find the least common multiple for the denominators for 8, 6 and 12, and then multiply both sides by the least common multiple. So first we have to find the least common multiple for 8, for 6, 8 and 12. I'm going to find the least common multiple by prime factorization. 6 divided by 2 is 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then you have 12, 12 divided by 2 is 6, divided by 2 is 3, divided by 3 is 1. So least common multiple for 6 we have 1, 2, for 8 we have 3 2's, and for 12 we have 2 2's. For least common multiple we have to take in the most repeating numbers. We have to take this 3 2's, 2 times 2 times 2, and then for 6 we have 3, and for 8 we don't have 3. For 12 we have 1 3. In least common multiple we can take the numbers does not repeat, so we can take 3 and then you have to multiply 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 3 times 8 is 24. So the least common multiple for 8, 6 and 12 is 24. After that you have to multiply both sides by 24, so we have 24 times negative 3 out of 8 plus 24 times 5 out of 6 less than or equal 7 out of 12 times 24. After that 24 with 8 are reduced. 24 divided by 8 is 3, and 8 divided by 8 is 1, and then 24 divided by 6 is 4, and 6 divided by 6 is 1, and then 24 divided by 12 is 2, and 12 divided by 12 is 1. Now we have 3 times negative 3 plus 3 you have x here, 3 times negative 3x plus 4 times 5 less than or equal to 7 times 2. 3 times negative 3 equal to negative 9x plus 4 times 5 is 20, 7 times 2 is 14. Now we can combine the like terms. Negative 9x less than or equal to 14, we have to change the place of positive 20 become negative 20, and then you have negative 9x less than or equal to 14 minus 20 equal to minus 6, because plus times minus is minus, we have to subtract these two numbers. 20 minus 14 is 6, the sign of the large number is 20, 20 is negative. After that we have to divide both sides by negative 9. These two negative 9s are reduced, x stay, and then you have to change this signs from less than or equal to greater than or equal. These two negatives are reduced, and then we can write this fraction like simplest form. The greatest common factor for 6 and 9 is 3. We have to divide both sides by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So x is greater than or equal to 2 out of 3. Example number 2, we have negative 3 and we have a bracket. Inside the bracket you have 2x plus 4 greater than or equal to 5. First step, you can multiply this negative 3 into the bracket. Negative 3 times 2 equal to negative 6x. Negative times positive equal to negative 3 times 4 is 12. Greater than or equal to 5. And then we can combine the like terms. Negative 6x greater than or equal to 5. You have to change the place of negative 12 become positive 12. Negative 6x greater than or equal to 5 plus 12 equal to 17. After that you have to divide both sides by negative 6. These two terms are reduced, x, and then we have to change this sign from greater than or equal to less than or equal, because we divide this inequality by negative number. And then so x less than or equal to negative 17 out of 6. Example number 3, we have 2x plus 4 greater than 3 x minus 5. First of all, you can multiply this 3 into the bracket, so we have 2x plus 4 greater than 3 times x equal to 3x. 3 times minus 5 equal to minus 15. And then we can combine the like terms. We have 2x. We have to change the place of 3x become negative 3x greater than negative 15, and we have to change the place of positive 4 become negative 4. After that, plus times minus is minus. 3x minus 2x is negative x. And then minus times minus is plus. We have to add these two numbers. 15 plus 4 is 19. We have to write the sign of the large number. After that, the value of the variable should not be negative. We have to multiply both sides by minus 1. Minus x or negative x times minus 1 equal to x. And then you have to change this sign from greater than to less than, because we have multiplication by negative number. And negative 19 times negative 1 equal to positive 19. So x is less than 19. Example number 4, we have 2 out of 3 greater than or equal to 6m out of 9. First of all, you have to find the least common multiple for the denominator for 3 and 9. The least common multiple for 3 and 9 is 9. After that, we have to multiply both sides by 9. So you have 9 times 2 out of 3 greater than or equal 6m out of 9 multiplied by 9. So 3 or 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 9 is 1. and 9 divided by 9 is 1. So we have 3 times 2 greater than or equal to 6m times 1. 3 times 2 is 6, greater than or equal 6m, and then we have to divide both sides by 6. These two 6's are reduced, and then these two 6's are reduced. M stay greater than or equal. So 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 1 is greater than or equal to m, or m is equal or less than to 1. Example number 5. We have c out of 8 plus 1 out of 2 greater than 3 out of 4. First of all, you have to find the least common multiple for 8, 2, and 4. The least common multiple for 8, 2, and 4 is 8. After that, we have to multiply both sides by 8. So you have 8 times 3 out of 8 plus 1 out of 2 times 8 greater than 3 out of 4 times 8. These two 8's are reduced, c stay, plus, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have 1 times 4 is 4 greater than, and then 8 divided by 4 is 2, 4 divided by 4 is 1, 3 times 2 is 6. After that, you can combine the like terms. We have c greater than 6, we have to change the place of positive 4 become negative 4. C greater than 6 minus 4 is 2. C greater than 2. Example number 6. We have minus negative 2, 3x minus 1, and 4x, less than or equal to 4x plus 1. First of all, we can multiply this number into the bracket. Minus 2 times 3 equal to minus 6x, and then minus times minus is plus, 2 times 1 is 2, less than or equal to 4x plus 1. And then we can combine in the like terms. Negative 6x, positive 4x become negative 4x, less than or equal to 1, and we have to change the place of positive 2 become negative 2. Now minus times minus is plus, we have to add these two numbers. 6 plus 4 is 10x. We have to write the sign of the large number is negative. And then we have 1 minus 2, plus times minus is minus, 2 minus 1 is 1. The sign of the large number is 2, 2 is negative, you have to write negative 1. After that, you have to divide both sides by negative 10. These two 10's are reduced, x stay, and then you have to change this sign from less than or equal to greater than or equal, and then these two signs are reduced. So x is greater than or equal to 1 out of 10. Example number 7. We have 1 out of 3 plus r out of 18 less than 1 out of 2. First of all, we have to find the greatest common factor for 3, 8, and 3, 18, and 2. So we have 2, 3, and 18. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 18 divided by 2 is 9, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So least common multiple. For 2 you have 1, 2, and for 18 also you have 1, 2, so you have to take 1, 2, and then for 3 we have 1, 3, for 18 we have 2 3's, so you have to take the most repeating numbers these two 3's. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18. So the least common multiple for 2, 3 and 18 is 18. After that you have to multiply both sides by 18. 18 times 1 out of 3 plus 18 times r out of 18 less than 1 out of 2 times 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 18 divided by 18 is 1. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 times r is r less than 9 times 1 is 9. After that we have to combine the like terms. R less than 9, we have to change the place of positive 6 become negative 6. So r less than 9 minus 6 is 3. R less than 3. Example number 8 is the last example. We have negative 2, 3m minus 5 less than or equal to negative 8. First of all, we have to, or we can multiply this 2 into the bracket. Minus 2 times 3 equal to minus 6m. Minus times minus is plus. 2 times 5 is 10 less than or equal to negative 8. After that we can combine the like terms. Negative 6m less than or equal negative 8. We have to change the place of positive 10 become negative 10. Negative 6m less than or equal minus times minus is plus. We have to add 10 plus 8 is 18. We have to write the sign of the large number is 10. After that we have to divide both sides by negative 6. These two terms are reduced, m stay, and then we have to change this sign from less than or equal to greater than or equal. 18 divided by 6 is 3 minus times minus is plus. So m is greater than or equal to positive 3.